All right, this is going to be our last video for experimental design. And what we're looking at with Inquiry 5 is experimental error and things that can go wrong in an experiment.
So here's an example experiment. Mrs. B wants to know which middle school in Knoxville is the most popular. She wants to set up a social experiment to see which school students like the best. One possible experimental error is that Mrs. B only asked students who are zoned for Bearden Middle School. She didn't get a wide enough sample of a population. She only asked students in a certain area. So this makes the experiment invalid because we don't have a true representation of everybody in Knoxville.
Remember, bias is when the scientist favors an outcome over another. So Mrs. B rounds up the number of students who like Bearden so that the school she likes has the highest number of votes. This ensures that Bearden Middle will be the school that wins.
So any experimental error, this is any mistake that happened during the experiment, any miscalculation, any misstep in conducting the experiment and collecting the data. This is all experimental error. Bias is any time the scientist uses their personal preference to skew the data in their favor. You have now completed all the videos for experimental design or scientific method. If you need to, go back and review the videos, and remember you can always check in with us if you have any questions.